Alright, so this is a powerhouse 13 kW electric start generator from Northern Tool, purchased here. Here's some of the information for you. Part number, revision D, so it's gone through some revisions. This right here is the actual model number for the engine. It's made by a company called Lonkin. They actually make the whole generator. They make this unit in Europe, and then I guess Northern Tool rebrands it, brings it over here. The Europe version obviously runs at 50 hertz, 220 volts I believe. This one runs at 240 volts, at 60 hertz, so the connection's a little bit different. One thing I will say, the oil filter that comes on the unit from the factory, it's just some no-name brand filter. It's probably made by Wix because they're over in Europe, but I went ahead and just bought an actual Wix filter here. Here's the number, if you can see it, 51394. That's the number that I actually got from Northern Tool as a replacement filter. So you can buy them at O'Reilly's, Walmart, places like that. Here's the information on it. This was built February 2021. Its emissions compliance period is 250 hours. It does have an hour meter with some maintenance, oil change, air cleaner, things like that. This is rated at 5% total harmonic distortion from the manufacturer, meaning that it's just as good as the power that you get out of your wall outlet on a normal day. It does have a large 12.5 gallon fuel tank on it. They rate it, I think, 14 to 15 hours at 50% load. So it's a 10,000 watt continuous. 13,000 is its ramp up starting. So had to put the wheels on there and the little stopper feet here at the bottom, but as you can see, I just got finished putting some oil in it here, and we're going to give it a start up and see how she goes. Overall, I think this is probably a pretty good unit. It has electric start. The key here is over on the side. It also has a pull start in case the battery dies. I do have a battery, I just haven't hooked it up here yet, the battery tray here behind the wheel. It uses a smaller absorbed glass matte battery, AGM battery. They're kind of pricey, so I bought it as a regular old flooded cell 12 volt lawn and garden battery. Works just as well, has enough cold cranking amps to get the motor turned over. This is a big motor, over 600 cc's. It is a one piston, so this is actually the world's largest single piston 600 cc plus engine that they currently manufacture. So if you look around the ends here, the generator head is quite substantially large. There is an AVR in there. I'll take a video of it here so you can see in a minute. And of course the muffler there is the black box. Our initial goal here is to convert this over to natural gas. There's natural gas kits online you can buy. A gentleman up in I think Wisconsin. Yeah, Wisconsin. Anyway, he makes a throw together kit, a couple $100, regulator hoses, kind of a snorkel type setup. Run your natural gas line into it and you're good to go. So we'll see how she does here.